morning.
Where is Aria?
What's on your... Oh.
Good morning. I don't want...
Maybe. Where's Aria? Oh, look what I need to show you guys what we got from a great uncle and aunt. This is a cool surprise. It was a belated birthday gift for Libby. There's basketball hoops that can go higher. Okay. It's pretty cool though. The girls love it. We have swimming today. We haven't had it in a few weeks, so it should be pretty cool. Hi, where are you going? Okay, you're gonna go this way? I look like Kevin McAllister's dad. My husband got me this cute trench coat that I picked out myself. Okay, we're gonna go take a bath. Got back from swimming lessons. I got my hair done. I love the color so much. And then I have some, so she curled everything for some breaking out. Lovely. Do my makeup. I don't have the smoothest lid. Someone's like, oh, you should use an eyeshadow primer. I think she mentioned it as a nice way, but I always use an eyeshadow primer. This is just my eyelid, okay? Unless I'm like going like, yeah, this is just my eyelid, okay? I'm 31 years old. I do use eye creams, okay, and moisturize. It's just, that is my eyelids. Yeah, I got some little curtain bangs and lots of layers. I love the color. I hope I can recreate this. I'm gonna try to curl it, but like, look, I got some curtain bangs. Got some curtain bangs, and then you wanna see what I did when I got home? You wanna see what I did when I got home? And also she did it. So yeah, I got my hair done. We're cleaning right now. So then when I got home, ignore that. When I got home, I cleaned the playroom downstairs, and Aria somewhat helped me. But yeah, that's what I've been doing when I got home. And then Rob's been cleaning upstairs. That we get one room at a time. Yeah, look how short this is. This is like the longest I've had my hair this long since like I was 15. Yes, now mommy duty. All right, I don't think I showed you guys my this. So, this is my hair. That's how long it is. Down to my boobs. It's got like a little trim, and then I got lots of layers in it. So, and it's like a warmer brown. I've had red. Well, I've had a lot of colors actually, but my hairstylist, like I literally show her a picture and she does it exactly how I want it. And then yeah, I got curtain bangs, so I'm excited to style those. I love it. She's so good. Sam is so good at alter ego. Everyone there is so good, but I see Sam. And she hasn't even been doing hair like super long. She's just so good. Saga. Yeah, I can still put it behind my ears and it looks so cute. And it looks way lighter than it did. And she did a scalp detox too. I'm gonna do some dandruff. And then look at that. No grays. No grays. And I did get the scalp detox from Paul Mitchell. So I'm really excited to use it. It's a scrub. Like, look how long my hair is. That's long for me, girls. Okay, this is long for me, guys. I usually have it like to here or like here. So my hair grows really fast. So I get it done like every 3 months. But I'm gonna get it done in 10 weeks. So yeah, look at that. It's so cute. I love it. It feels so good. Every time I get a haircut, especially by Sam, because she does so just amazing, I feel so good, like refreshed. Christmas. I just need to get my nails done because these look like trash, but she was busy. I'm gonna have one of the girl comes to my house. Well, she's done that one time. I say that like she's only done that one time. She's gonna come over next weekend and do my nails because they really outgrowing. That's hair color, and they're like coming up. So I'm gonna try to do that like every 4 weeks. I was doing that. I'm sorry, I cannot do my nails myself. It just looks like garbaggio. I don't have the time. I don't have the time nor the patience. Like, I like getting my nails done. It's just kind of annoying like going out and doing it. So she's did a really good job. It is like a multi-chrome. It looks like kind of like a copper, but it's actually like a multi-chrome. So I want to get like a blue for like winter, but I don't know. Oh, my eyes, I'm wearing the I'm wearing the Nomad Cosmetics or the Atego. I know it's a Safari palette. And then I'm wearing Divina. I can't remember the name of the shade, but it's from their newest palette, the Fantasia palette. I did a whole video on that. And then Elf Lava Lamp in the waterline. It's actually an eyeshadow stick, but I use it as an eyeliner. And then if I use anything else. No, my beauty foundation. Oh, Too Faced, the newest, Naturally Better Than Sex. It's very natural, as you guys can see, like, but it is still lengthening. There's not really a lot of volume, but it's not clumpy at all. Totally different than the regular Better Than Sex. Stay tuned for like a whole video on that. But yeah, I'm loving my hair. We're gonna get my pizza. And we did go to swimming lessons, but I'm not gonna film my kids going swimming and stuff because I was actually in the pool. Robert just vacuumed all this, cleaning this, but you should have seen the C4. It looked awful. Couldn't even see the floors. Yes, body training. And then, yeah, we got this at Target. I moved this closer, and maybe getting a Christmas gift that goes with this. The rock wall and stuff. But yeah, organize their Barbie stuff. That is just like random things. That's where it went. Felt board, felt things. We got mod pizza. Robert, did you get a vegan pizza or no?
No, I got a vegetarian.
Okay. So I got my pizza. You don't have to pay for toppings. All you have to do is pay for like the size of the pizza, and you can get as many toppings as you want. I got, let's see, marinated artichokes, roasted garlic, like big chunks of garlic, and then vegan Italian sausage crumbles, oregano, basil, arugula, mushrooms, black olives. I think that's it. And then the kids, Livy got, vegan cheese, obviously. Livy got vegan cheese, and she just wanted little tomatoes. And then also we both got olive oil bases. Well, all three of us. Rob did not. And then Aria got, same thing, vegan cheese with olive oil base and, I was clapping, and pineapple and black olives. Oh, I didn't say, I got pineapple, black olives. I don't remember if I said that or not. And then my husband got some wine. Stella Rosa, Stella Berry. Like Stella Bear.
Yep.
Like our Stella. And then he also got Bulldog, which is actually a Maryland brand, which we live in Maryland. And I got like the thin crust, which I'm sure my husband got like the thick crust.
Yep.
And I don't know what the show is, but it's losing brain cells. But we put in the laundry away. Anyway, we just watched the end of Love Is One. I think I lost brain cells. It was extremely sad. Very weird. I'm not going to diagnose people because I'm not as professional, but like, just insane. So anyway, we were just watching The Family Dice Chantel. So yeah, I'm gonna get makeup off using the Pure Culture products. I'm still getting a little, so I'm about to be on my cycle, not to be disgusting, but I'm getting some pimples here. They're about to pop up, and then yeah, but I really do like the moisturizer and the cleanser. You only need a teensy bit of the cleanser. I don't know if this serum's doing anything, so when I repurchase, I might just get it takes me a while to use up cleansers, but we'll see. I like the cleanser and the moisturizer. The serum, I don't really know if it's doing anything, but then I've only been using these products for like a week, so I'll get back to you. But yeah, we're gonna go to bed. We're all farts. What time is it? Oh my God, it's 11:09. But yeah, I had a good day. Love my hair. And then we're gonna go to my mom's house. Well, we're gonna do some more cleaning, but we're gonna go to my mom's house to show me the cookies, and we're gonna decorate the cookies, and Rob's going to a wine tasting with my stepfather. They're both accountants, so they geek out on all the program stuff. But yeah, stay tuned for that.
But at least I can say I tried. I'm sorry, but I gotta move on with my own life.
I'm very serious around here. There's my daughters eating. My other daughter eating. My daughter is professional for Starbucks. Oh my God. Kicked me out, so Rob's just in there. We made cookies with my mom. Hello. 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 How you doing? I know you don't like when I have you don't like phones. I know, but you're so attractive. I gotta document this. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's see, I got my hair done. I took the kids to swimming lessons. Both did great for the most part. You know, we got toddlers and stuff. So, and then one of them kind of acted up, but she's tired. She woke up really early, and then got my hair done. Someone just want to go to bed, and then what else did we do? And there was it. Oh yeah, cleaned, and then finished a documentary. Love Is One. It was weird, to say the least. And then it's on HBO Max, whatever the hell it's called, Max. And then let's see. Then today went to Trader Joe's by myself, alone. Did some damage, so be prepared to see a haul. And well, you might see the haul before this, but anyway, there's a haul up if you don't know. And then, and also I did this look. Which I do daily shorts, TikToks. Well, definitely daily shorts. Try to do daily TikToks and daily reels. And then we made cookies for my mom, which was really fun. And then we went to dinner with my mom, and now we're home. And we're probably gonna watch 90 Day Fiance. So yeah, if I don't see you, if I don't film any other clips, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Okay, guys.